Imagine you are sending a confidential message, a digital passport for accessing a protected resource. How do you ensure that message is authentic, hasn't been tampered with, and truly comes from who it claims to be? Well, a JSON Web Token, or JWT, addresses exactly this challenge. It's a compact, URL-safe means of representing claims to be transferred between two parties. Fundamentally, every JWT is composed of three distinct parts: the header, the payload, and the signature. The reason for this three-part structure lies in a combination of discoverability, data transfer, and integrity. The first section, the header, is a JSON object that typically contains two fields: the type of the token, which is usually JWT, and the signing algorithm being used, like HMACSH at 156 or RSA. This header is then base 60 for URL encoded, becoming the first part of the token. Next comes the payload, also a JSON object, which holds the actual data or claims you want to transmit. These claims are statements about an entity, often the user, and additional properties. For example, a payload might include a user's ID, their role, or an expiration time for the token. This JSON object is also base 60 for URL encoded, forming the middle section. Finally, the signature is the crucial element for verifying the token's authenticity and integrity. It is created by taking the encoded header, the encoded payload, a secret key known only to the server, and the algorithm specified in the header. These are combined and cryptographically signed. This signature ensures that the token has not been altered since it was issued and that it genuinely originates from the expected sender. Without a valid signature, the token is considered invalid. When a client sends a JWT to a server, the server first decodes the base 60 for URL encoded header and payload sections. Then, using the signing algorithm indicated in the header and its secret key, the server recalculates the signature. It compares this newly computed signature with the signature provided in the token. If they match, the server trusts the information within the payload, knowing it hasn't been tampered with. This process is lightning fast and highly efficient. One of the significant advantages of JWTs is their ability to enable stateless authentication. Because all necessary user information and verification data are contained within the token itself, the server does not need to store session state. This makes scaling applications much easier. Additionally, claims within the payload can be categorized into registered claims, which are predefined for common use cases like expiration time or issuer, public claims, which are custom but registered, and private claims, which are completely custom to your application. This flexible claim structure provides a powerful way to convey specific user data. Understanding these three distinct, yet interconnected, sections of a JWT, the header for metadata, the payload for data, and the signature for integrity, empowers developers to implement robust, scalable, and secure authentication and authorization mechanisms. This architectural design ensures that vital information can be securely exchanged and trusted across distributed systems, forming a cornerstone of modern web application security.
If this helps you code smarter, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.